Cutting waters, trying, every day, every day. Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. We are going to be doing some mini twists today. I know people are calling it mini twists, but my parts are not really mini. I want to say they're like a good medium size. These twists do take me quite a while. I know a lot of people probably like, you can do this kind of quick, but it takes about like 5 to 6 hours, really depending on the person's head and depending on the hair and all that. My client here does have a blunt cut. So with twist, I really recommend not to get a blunt like cut to your natural hair, because when you go to twist, like your hair may stick out like straight. And you don't want that. You want it to just look all like precise as one. So I wouldn't get a blunt cut before getting twist or braids. I mean, you could get braids still because you can tuck hair very easily, but for twist, it's so much harder. Like, it's really hard to hide the fact that you have like a straight cut with twists. So for the back of her hair, it was coming out like pieces were like kind of sticking out, and I had to fix that. But the higher I got, the easier it got. But for the back, her hair was cut very short and very bluntly. So I did my best, but it did come out absolutely perfect. She loved her hair. So in the back, I am doing right now, I just braided her hair probably like a good 3, 4 strokes, because I'm just pre-parting all of this so that when I go in, all I'm doing is adding the Afro twist hair to twist down. But I am starting these off as like a plait or a knotless braid, if you want to say that. But it is starting off with her real hair. She doesn't really need extra hair to start off, because her hair is pretty thick and pretty full. Now, if your client's hair is thinner, I would suggest adding their hair to the knotless part. I have a video on that where you can start off with extension with knotless. But here I'm just pre-parting it with knotless and then starting the twist and adding the extension after I've already plaited it. So my client didn't want that much baby hairs. For the back, how many rows does she have? 1, 2, 3. I think she had 3 to 4 rows beneath her ear. Then above her ear, I think she had about 6 rows. Yeah, 6 rows going all the way around. So this right here, I think this is the 3rd row in the front above her ear that I'm working on. So above her ear, she's going to have 6 rows on each side from the middle part. So she's going to have a middle part, right? Then on each side, she's going to have 6 rows on left, on 6 rows on the right side. So this is how the parts are looking. Nice and small, perfect. So since her hair is so short in the back, I decided to just start it off kind of like a box braid. So I used basically her hair and then the 2 sides of the Afro twist hair to count as like the 3 pieces I needed. Then I added in another piece of Afro twist hair and then another piece of Afro twist hair as I braided, just because her hair was so short that I was like, it's just no way I'm going to be able to just start twisting this. So I started the back off like a box braid. Now I'll say, if the hair is longer than 4 inches, you can go ahead and probably just do it how I'm going to do the rest of them. But if the hair is short, I will say try to start it off as like a small box braid if you can, because you don't want it to slip out and you want to have a good grip on it. And since her hair is so short in the back, it does create a lot of tension. But usually when the perimeter of the hair is being braided, I usually tell people to hold it anyway, because it's the perimeter. But anyway, I didn't twist her hair all the way to the end, which also made this, like, just don't make these mistakes that I'm helping y'all out with. I'm giving y'all all these tips so that when y'all are doing this, you're not like messing up. She wanted her length to be all the way down. Like, just twist the hair all the way down and cut it afterwards if it's really that deep. I don't know why I left the bottom out, so that added just like extra time of me doing that when I got done. But Jesus Christ, y'all, just twist it all the way down and cut it after. And if it just starts to unravel, just brush it out on the ends a little bit and then just twist it down again a little bit. But I left the ends out because I thought she wanted it short. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, so since I did the plait on her hair already, all I'm doing is adding the extension to her hair. And I'm making sure that they're all the same density. Now, how many pieces do I use for each twist? I'm going to say 2 to 3. Some of them have 2, some of them have 3. But mostly all of them have 2. None of them are going to have 1. So definitely 2. So I just split that plait that I did already in half and I put mousse on it just so it gives me a nice slip. I take a piece of that Afro twist hair. It comes like this and I split it in 2. Oh, I split it in 3. Okay, yeah. So after I do that, her hair is braided a little bit too far down, so I unbraided it a little bit. I'm going to take one side on the right and I'm going to add that Afro twist hair in and I'm going to twist it. Just one side. Then I'm going to twist the hair together and then I'm going to twist that other side. So I'm making sure that both sides have the braiding hair already added so that I can start twisting all the way down. Then when I want to go to add hair, I just kind of put it behind it and just keep twisting. I know I'm moving real fast, but you guys will see it a few times. And if you need another video on how I'm doing this with a different angle, a little bit slower, just more, just even more detail, I will link the video and pop it up on the screen so you guys have it. But yeah, I think I'm answering pretty much all the questions you guys are probably going to have for this video. So I'm going to stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And I know y'all going to ask how many twists does she have in her head. I don't know. I don't know. I don't sit there and count my clients' twists because who wants to sit for more time after getting their hair done for me to count it? Nobody. So, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, we're using the Afro twist hair. I'll also link that down below. I know I didn't show the package, but I'll pop a little picture up so you guys can see. But yeah, that is all we're doing. So yeah, if you have any comments, comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't just watch the video. I need you to thumbs it up so that all the girlies can find how to do this and get a detailed video on how to do their mini twist, medium twist for the summertime. This is a perfect protective style. So yeah, thank y'all for watching and I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Bye, faves.